In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords AutoFill. If you forgot a password you previously added to your AutoFill, don't worry, you are not an only one. That's why I'm recording this video to show you how to check it out. Begin by opening Utilities folder and hitting Passwords. Now to continue, enter your current passcode and hit All at the top left corner. Following that, you need to find your password here. You can do that by scrolling, using those letters on the right, or clicking on the search bar at the bottom to type in whatever you want to. Either way, after finding your password, just click on it. And last but not least, tap on it here to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!